Niloloko ka niya, ha? Pauwi na kami, guys. Galing kami sa may Franklin Falls. It was a little bit chill in there because the mist of the falls. So, but it was fun. Hike with friends. Ayan na yung daanan, no. Ano naman, slushy na siya, slushy. Hanggang doon sa may sa falls. So ngayon pabalik na kami. May mga cabin dito sa loob.